Idol, igama uSiphumelele Zondo nondaba ofika ney'ndaba every single week right here kwi-Gagasi FM News Wrap. Uzwile udaba, will there be an impeachment? Iphumile inkantolo lapha nesinqumo sayo against uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. Ukhona noMpumelelo Zikalala. He will be discussing it with us as our legal analyst.
Politics, justice, umnotho, emphakathini. The stories that matter, wrapped up for you every week. This is the Gagasi FM News Wrap, hosted by Siphumelele Zondi.
So let's take you to the year 2022. Uyakhumbula ukuthi there was a vote eyenzeka laphaya in parliament. Kuvotwa ukuthi should there be an impeachment ezokwenzeka laphaya ngo-President Cyril Ramaphosa. I-ANC ungathi they closed ranks kuleyo meeting eyayikhona kuvotwa. Abaningi bayo bathi nope, there should not be an impeachment ekumele yenzeka after i-report iyayiphumile laphaya after i-judge former Chief Justice uSandile Ngcobo ekhiphe i-report ongazuthi kwakuney'nkinga ngemali le eyayikade intshontshwe endlini noma eplazini lakhe uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa iphalaphala. Leyo mali-ke yayingakaze ibikwe emaphoyiseni, kodwa someone did break ranks kuleyo vote eyayenzeka laphaya. uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma laphaya waye uMinister we-Cooperative Governance at the time and Traditional Affairs, ile siyibiza nge-COGTA uma sesishothinisha lelo gama nje kancane. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma laphaya wathi yena uthi I'm going against the ANC. Asike sibheke ukuthi kwenzekani in the year 2022.
Dlamini Zuma, NC.
As a disciplined member of the ANC, I vote yes.
That was in 2022 when Dr. Nkosazana Dlamini Zuma broke ranks with the rest of the ANC. Akasekho usaresigna-ke nakulelo parliament. But a decision that's just been taken. Chief Justice Umandisa Maya has announced ukuthi the Constitutional Court has said ukuthi kumele engabe leya process eyingenziwanga ngawo 2022 should actually have happened. Asilalele ukuthi utheni kwi-judgment.
I start by taking full responsibility for the delay in producing this judgment concerning an extremely difficult matter of great national importance. And I tender my sincere apology to the parties, my colleagues, and fellow South Africans for the inconvenience it has caused. The applicants seek an order declaring as unlawful and irrational a decision of the National Assembly taken on 13 December 2022 to not adopt the report of the independent panel, hereinafter referred to as the report, and refer it to the impeachment committee. This decision was in the context of an impeachment inquiry.
To help us analyze these issues, nokuthi-ke sekumele kwenzekeni is our legal analyst uMpumelelo Zikalala. Mmeli sawubona.
Nondaba ngikubingelele bese ngivele kakhulu abalala bahle beGagasi.
Sibonga ukuthi ube nathi. Ucabangani ngale judgment eyenzekile laphaya?
Ithanda ukuthinta ey'ntweni ey'ningana. Okokuqala, accountability, ukukhombisa ukuthi uma ngabe siye eParliament asiwona amagosha azofika avote nje ngenxa ukuthi iqembu lethu lezepolitiki likunikeze mandate bese wenza lokho. Inkantolo bekuyakucacisa ukuthi ubekwe lapho ukuthi uthathe iy'nqumo ezibalulekile, sebenzisa umqondo wakho. Okwesibili, it calls to account for abantu abasebethatha ama-decisions. You can't rubber stamp bese kuba sekuphelile. Kufanele uyibheke i-report yakhona ukuthi ithini bese uyabona. Eyesibili, imithetho yakhona noma rules mase bewashaya manje bazobona ukuthi ngabe from a practicality basis asuke ezosebenza kahle yini, azoyenza into efuna umthetho osisekelo noma mhlambe kukhona la sekuphambana khona. Eyesithathu, ukukhombisile ukuthi akekho umuntu ongaphezulu komthetho, even nomongameli wezwe naye kukhona inkantolo ekufanele ahambe ayokhothama kuyona ayozwa ukuthi ithini, alandele leyo nto ekusuke kufanele ukuthi yenzeke kuyena. Akekho umuntu okufanele ahlale engaphendulanga imibuzo. Kodwa kwesithathu-ke mase siza kwi-judgment nangendlela abayibeke ngayo, leya separation of powers eseke sikhulume ngayo engathi kuyathi ukunyatheleka kancane ngoba sokhumbula ukuthi iParliament libhala imithetho inkantolo ayubhala umthetho iyawuchaza mawusuzoba nenkantolo ezothi we are reading into the act sebenza inkinga ngoba umbuzo uzobusuthi mhla kunenkinga ngale party that was read into by bona ubani ozojaja bona ngoba bona fanele bahlale la balindele ukuthi kubhalweni bese bojetela abantu abama legislatures noma bashaya umthetho kube bona abazokwazi bashaya umthetho kahle.
So, kulelo point that you just explained now, what does it then make for future decisions that can be made by Parliament? Because laba bantu isikhathi esiningi sibabiza ngama lawmakers. Suddenly, lawmakers make decisions, inkantolo ithi cha.
Ngokujwayelekile la separation of powers iyenzela ukuthi kugadane. Kungabe khona umuntu ozonikezwa amandla angakhawulekanga noma mhlamba ngenamkhawulo. Bese kuthiwa wena as a lawmaker hamba ushaya umthetho kodwa la ushaya khona umthetho ulimaza okunye thina njengenkantolo zobe sesiyangenelela.
We will continue with the conversation. Kodwa ke political parties have also responded. Uzokhumbula ukuthi lolu daba lwathathwa lwahanjiswa enkantolo by the ATM and the Economic Freedom Fighters. That's the African Transformation Movement and the Economic Freedom Fighters. Aseqalileke ukuresponda political organizations hlukahlukene about this. Let's take a look at some of them.
The panel found that there was a prima facie evidence that the president must be referred to the impeachment process, where a transparent process will be canvassed for the voter to make a decision whether this is worth being our president or not. And even if the impeachment says the president must be removed, then that's where the vote comes in. The vote cannot come before the facts are canvassed publicly, especially if there is a serious prima facie evidence referred to impeachment process by the panel. We are very happy today our constitution has won in this constitutional court.
You'll remember that there are times whereby members of the ANC were to try to enforce accountability in parliament, but they get suspended. However, as opposition parties, we are not at the mercy of Ramaphosa or the ANC.
But Zikalala, maybe if usikhumbuza nje ukuthi kahle kahle lezi inkinga ziningi futhi inkinga ezenzeka lapha ePhalaphala size sifike la kunodaba lokuthi imali $500,000 US in foreign currency engamadola engabe kunenkinga ngalokho
Khona inkinga enkulu awuvumelekile ukuthi ube nenani lemali elingakho uzokhumbula ukuthi ukuze amandla eRand ukwazi ukwacontrol kufanele ucontrol ukuthi imali engaphakathi ezweni lakhe engakanani kufanele uphinde ucontrol futhi ukuthi imali yangaphandle engakanani kwena yiwo uzothi bawungena ema-airport noma kuma-border aseNingizimu Afrika kuthiwa declare ukuthi imali yena ikhona mayiningi kakhulu kuthiwa ayiyehlise noma seke sikuconvertele yona ngoba sibalela ukuthi amandla eRand athanda ukuthi antengantenga mawusuzoba ke neplazi la khona uzo-accepta khona imali eningi engaphezulu kwesikalo sokunikezwe sona ukhona abantu abazoba nenkinga nawo uSARS uzoba nenkinga nawo ngoba phela ufuna ukucollect intela amaphoyisa azoba nenkinga nawo ngoba usuphula umthetho. Number 2, from a safety reasons imali efayile ihlale kuwena as an ordinary person noma ngabe kuthiwa amarandi kunesikalo sokunikezwe sona ngoba sibalekela lento money laundering ukuthi hayi mone imali eningi ewucash kuwena cha futhi awuna store la into ekhombisayo ukuthi khona imali engaki ingenayo on a monthly basis noma on a daily basis bese kuba khona inkinga la
uma kune ankole ngibuye ngiyidayise
kulungile kodwa masuyidayisile hamba uyosho ukuthi usuyidayisile uthatha imali yakho bese uyise bank ngokusheshsha asinankinga ngokuba nakwakho neankole kodwa enza sure ukuthi imiqathango nemigumo nemibandela ikhona njengoba nama ngidayisa inkomo nje emakhaya kufanele ngenze sure ukuthi ubini umaka wami senginikeza umaka womunye umuntu kunephepha elikhombisayo ukuthi sidayiselene kube nemali ekhombisayo ukuthi hayi khona iexchange eyenzakalile nakhona inani lale mali mangabe phezulu sengisenkingeni ngofanele ngithathe bese ngikuse bank.
There's a different parliament to the parliament that was 4 years ago, and the speaker has changed, the percentages have changed. Could that be something that could be an impediment of any sort?
It can be, especially from the side of umongameli angayareza ngale nto esibiza ukuthi point and limit lezo thi sesikhuluma ngospeaker ohlukile manje administration lisasinayo manje sekuyi9 yindaba nina nikhuluma ngezinto ezenzeka ekuqaleni but to cure that kulula complaint again, ibhale phansi in-affidavit, itholakale ifike edeskini laSpeaker, uSpeaker besethi ngiya-actiona ngoba i-complaint isize yafika. It is an impediment, but not that much. But I would have expected the ConCourt just to go a bit further in explaining that. It seems as if that was lost in the interpretation, mhlambe kwi-judgment, ngesikhathi beyibhalile. Kodwa leyo point bekufanele ngabathe kuyi-emphasize kancane.
Kwenzekani makunje? We've never really had a president who's been impeached and successfully so. Is there a possibility that it can happen and be successfully so? And what does that mean for our democracy and our country going forward?
Yes, it can happen. Even though it's not something which will be easy and short and quick. It will be very long. And by the time even while the president because you start with the inquiry. Inquiry let's look at parliamentary inquiry. Decision. I'm not happy with it. I take it to a high court. From a high court, Supreme Court of Appeals. From Supreme Court of Appeals, I take it to a constitutional court. So there's still a process and even among it goes to the National Assembly, which is voted on. You have to make sure the members of parliament are there. So it's not a process as over quick and easy. It's a process but it's a plus for democracy because it means no one is above the law. Anyone must hold accountable who can be able to do that.
We are in different territory. Sibonge Mpumelelo Zikalala is our legal expert. Sidonse nje kancane every once in a while uma ngabe kunezinto esingayitholi kahle kanti leyo ukuthi there's a possibility yokuthi singase sibe no president ongase ahambe through an impeachment process. Into esiyobe siyiqala makuwukuthi iyenzeka and successfully. So we needed to look at the legalities. Kodwa ke mina nawe ngisho ukuthi sizoyiqoqa lezo uma ngabe sehlangana la sehlangane khona sesixoxa bukhoma kumina uSiphumelele Zondi nalo lonke ithimba le Gagasi FM News Wrap. Iyobonana.
Catch a brand new episode. You can watch the vodcast noma ungalalela i-podcast kwi-app yethu noma inini noma kuphi. Gagasi FM News puts KZN first.